Hey folks, just a footnote here about flat bottom drill bits. I know I mentioned that when I was showing my arsenal lineup to make the nuts, the brass nuts, in my last video. I mentioned that I had cut off a flat bottom drill bit, and this is, well, sorry about the camera work folks, I'm trying to do this with holding a cell phone. Anyway, the one on the drill bit on the left is a larger one that, as you can see, has been used. I believe I made this one for for making the PM research valves. And the critical thing here, I realized after I cut this one off, I had not made the relief angle, and I hope you can see this. I'm going to put this down in a minute. And the one that's completely flat here, the shorter one, is the it's a rather 11/32 drill, which is cut off flat, but does not have a relief angle ground in it yet. Let me set that one down. Maybe I can show this. This is I think this is a 13/32 one that I made probably a couple of years ago. The critical difference is that there's a relief cut. It's at least 7 degrees. I'll hold it up against the paper. And anyway, I found on YouTube there's a guy named, it's Tom's Techniques. Has a 6-minute and 55-second video that shows how to grind the relief angle in a flat bottom drill bit. There's not much to it. There we go, you can kind of see. But it's not going to cut if it's completely flat. It's got to have that relief angle there. So hopefully you can see that, the ground portion. And what I do when I'm grinding them, see this handy jig, I'll set this up at, say, 7-degree minimum. Let's see if I can manipulate that just one-handed here. Maybe if I set it like that. Anyway, you get the idea. When I'm not filming, it's a lot easier. But I can check my relief angle, and I can check it on both sides to make sure it's the same. So check out Tom's Techniques for an actual video about how to grind the relief angle. And make sure if you make a flat bottom drill bit that you grind in that relief angle, otherwise it's not going to cut. Hope that's helpful, and I will keep you posted.